Alright, so we're at Shanghai Disney. Welcome to Shanghai Disneyland, our full day.
Yeah,
we came last night for just a couple hours to get the lay of the land and go on Pirates.
Yes, which was amazing.
Right now, Andrew's booking us a fast pass for Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
8:45 to 9:45.
And we're going straight to Tron to go on that right now. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Everything is so much bigger. There's room for so much expansion. Check out Tomorrowland. First stop of the day, this is the Tron coaster. Check that out.
I've been so excited to go on this ride since they literally announced it was being built because I'm obsessed with Tron. So this is gonna be insane.
This is the coolest thing ever. There's no one here because it's before park opening. We got in early because we're staying at the hotel. Possibly the coolest ride yet.
That was everything.
That was insane. I don't even know how to tell you what it was like because it wasn't like anything.
It was like Rock and Roller Coaster on steroids and then mixed with like
Hyperspace Mountain and Tron.
That was the most insane ride I've ever been on.
It's just crazy.
And I can't wait to do it at night now.
Yeah, night's gonna be a good one. I was not expecting it to jolt me as much as it did. I was not stable that whole time. Like my head was like, yeah, my head was like flying everywhere. That's how crazy this thing is.
It's like the same ride mechanism kind of as Pony Express at Knott's Berry Farm, but at Pony Express they like full on shove the thing into your back to make sure you feel secure.
And this is like 5 times the length.
And
like,
here they were just kind of like, you're good.
They're counting, just in case you're wondering what they're counting, they're just counting in Chinese and Mandarin when you're going
3,
through
2,
gates. No, they got up to 6.
Oh, no, I meant the beginning when you launch. They count 3, 2, 1 in Mandarin, and then when you go through each gate, they count 1,
The
2,
funny
3, 4,
part
5,
is that
6,
it was just like my learning app. So when she was going, woo, like, suh, I'm like, oh, that's 4.
Now we are heading to Mickey Avenue.
Mickey Avenue. The plan to do there is
potentially get something to eat.
Yeah, definitely something to snack on. Maybe Remy's.
Definitely, since we're probably going to do this at least 1, maybe 2 more times today.
Yeah.
But definitely, if you ever come to Shanghai Disneyland, and this is a stupid thing to say because everybody's going to do it anyway, go on this ride.
Yeah.
Like
Pirates in this.
Pirates in this, you could literally call it a day right there.
So this is Remy's Patisserie. Very cool. It's got baked goods and snacks. Alright, Andrew, please tell me everything we have sitting right there.
So it's a sausage roll, which looks
which is like stuffed.
Yeah, but it's like stuffed like shredded sausage almost, more like Italian sausage.
And then the other stuffed thing.
And then we got the stuffed chicken Mickey head. You said it was just Mickey chicken.
That one's just like a bun, Mickey chicken.
Bun
yeah.
Which is actually really good. It says Mickey on the back too.
Oh my gosh, go figure. Cool.
And then also we got the Mike Wazowski bread, which apparently it tastes like a bagel.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a sweet bagel.
Tokyo is actually like a dessert.
I think it might have like a raisin or something in it. I don't know. We'll see.
Don't know what that is.
Looks cool. And that was from Remy's Patisserie. Very cool.
And then we have latte.
And coffee. There we go. So we're here at the beginning of May, end of April. So we still have all these Easter stuff here. My favorite is Chippendale and their little egg. Isn't that cute? So, Mickey Avenue is what their main street is called. Instead of Main Street, it's Mickey Avenue. So now we're heading to Pirates.
Well, we're back at the front entrance plaza, but we had to stop by guest relations really quickly because they're like the only people that speak pretty good English, which is awesome because they gave us a spring food and beverage guide.
See where all the special stuff is that's left from Easter.
Well, we just happened to luck out during I think it's the first ever international food and drink festival here.
Yes, but it's not here, it's at Disney Town.
Which is their downtown Disney.
I don't got time for that.
We might stop by tonight.
Maybe. There's Scrooge's. Look, it's his whole vault. See if the Beagle Boys can blow that up. This is the Fantasia carousel, so you'll find a little bit different of characters than on the other ones. It's kind of like adult ones and kid ones. Towards the Once Upon a Time adventure, which is the castle walkthrough. So unlike all the other princess castles, this isn't dedicated to one princess. This is for all the princesses. So we're in the roundabout of the castle here, and it's got murals depicting different princesses. That was Princess and the Frog. This is Rapunzel, obviously. They have Anna and Elsa there. And then, I think the coolest one in here, there's the Merida one. And their little brothers and stuff, that's cool. And then if you look up, you can see the giant chandelier there. This is neat. off of Sedendorf's Mine Train for the first time. That was pretty darn cool. I especially like the way that mine carts move. That was really neat.
Yeah, they were really, really cool.
Yeah, and the faces on the dwarves, they're just so good.
We've not been on the one at Walt Disney World though, so we can't like compare and contrast.
No, we can't.
But I know the one thing I know is different is they don't have the Evil Queen at the end in hag form. That animatronic
Which makes me
exist
so
here.
sad, because that's what I was looking for.
But she's in Florida, so you gotta go to Florida for that. But it's a
Okay,
great
back
ride.
to Florida.
Yeah.
Straight from
Okay,
Shanghai,
bye.
yeah. So why we stopped here though is there's what did they say?
Announcement.
It's
It's
like
like a festival of
yeah, some type of
forest festival.
Enchanted Forest Festival. So it's like a procession. So we're gonna see it in just a quick second.
Hopefully. Hopefully a quick second.
The thing about Treasure Cove is that it's the only pirate-themed land, so you get cool stuff like this little place. That's just like got history carved on rocks and stuff. That's totally Jack Sparrow right there, I can tell. And then there's the throne.
So this is, we just got a Peking duck pizza, which if you see it looks really, really good, but it's got like some actually really big duck pieces all over it, and then it got some sort of like a Asian slaw.
Topping, yeah.
Yeah, which one, I'm assuming there's like a hot barbecue or something.
I see
that's
the
like on
barbecue.
top
I
of
can
it.
smell
Yeah.
it actually from here.
Inadvertently, we're walking through Toy Story Land.
Yeah.
We're heading to
We're heading
Tomorrowland
towards Toy
to
Story
see
Land.
Star Wars characters.
Yes.
Tomorrowland. We're in Toy Story Land now.
This is Toy Story Land. Everybody's waiting for the parade already. Towards the Star Wars launch bay, where we think that we can meet C-3PO and possibly R2. We've had a nice full day here at Shanghai Disneyland.
Yes, our last day, and we're sad, but this place is amazing, and we will be back.
Yeah, we love this park. It's so nice. Such a drastic change in weather happened in the past couple hours that we had to go back to the hotel and grab clothes. Now we are in 3 layers.
Yesterday we were both here in like shorts and a t-shirt, light sweater, and we were good. Today,
Running everywhere.
Today we're in jeans, jackets, sweatshirts, t-shirts, like
Big difference.
beanies, hats. It's cold tonight. It's like 52 Fahrenheit right now.
And it started at like literally like 65 this morning.
And it rained.
It's so weird. Yeah, it rained at 1.2, but we were in the hotel, I think, most